Okay, so now we've got another type of turnaround progression for you, and this one ascends, it goes up. So we're going to play E, then we play the major third of E, so that's 4th fret E, then we play the root note of the A chord, chromatically up to the 5-chord root note. So you get... Again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, we probably add in a B7th chord as well when holding that final note, but at the moment we're just keeping things a little bit simple and, you know, just get the turnarounds down, get your head around being able to play these single note figures. And then when we come to our blues progression, we're going to add things. We're going to mix it up a little bit and make it a little bit more like something that someone would play if they were playing a blues. So one more time, ascending. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, put 2 of them together. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there you have an ascending and descending single note turnaround riff. This sounds really bluesy, and adding these into your blues, 12-bar blues chord progression just lifts it to the next level. It's a relatively straightforward riff for you to play, but it has a really cool sound about it. Okay, so now it's your turn to practice your 2 different single note turnaround riffs.